Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Libras. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first. So we have 10 of spheres in reverse, 5 of stars, and astronomer of spheres in reverse. So, in your circumstances, Libras, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So, you are someone who has plans a perfect plan in any situation, and you go by your rules and whatever ideals you have for yourself, and you go in a particular plan, guys. You go by a particular plan. But today, maybe in your work or in your relationship, there may be some setbacks, delays, maybe for some of you, and you may feel really bad because your expectations have proved you wrong, and whatever you were thinking of doing within a particular timeline may not happen, guys. And you may feel that it is your mistake that things are happening in this particular way, and you may feel really humiliated because of this situation, because you have never faced such a circumstance in your life before. Maybe you go by your way of doing your things, and you never missed a particular timeline in your work for that completion, or even in your relationship, guys. You are someone level headed, responsible, and you size up any situation clearly and you act with clarity. But today, you don't know where things are going. There may be some obstacles, or maybe with this person, you may not have clarity, guys. So, there may be some doubts on this person you love, guys. So Libras, maybe this person is not what they seem to be, guys. Maybe you expected certain things from them, but what they are today is something different. They may not have that responsible attitude. They are not devoted or responsible like you, guys. That may be the reason for troubles in your relationship, and they are quite careless, and that is what I said. They are not responsible enough. They don't know how to handle the situation properly, and maybe they do not respect you or respect your words. That may be the reason for troubles in this relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship in particular. So we have 3 of suns in reverse, guys. So this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. Maybe there are a lot of obstacles you are facing, maybe to find that understanding with this person. You are struggling, doing your best, trying hard. But what is the reason for this relationship not working or not going in the expected way? Maybe they may have some hidden motives, guys. Their intentions may not be good. That may be the reason you are seeing this level of lack of communication or lack of understanding in your relationship, guys. So, for your career situation, Libras, you have the moon in reverse. So maybe there are a lot of risks you need to take in your career situation, guys. You are taking a lot of risks. Maybe you are trying really hard, but there may be many obstacles you need to overcome, and you don't know what will be the thing, what will be the return for all the efforts that you made. So you may see some delays or some financial loss you may be seeing in your situation, Libras. So uncertainty is what I see with these cards, guys, in your situation, in your career situation. So there are certain things happening, and it may be destiny, the reason for things unfolding in this particular way in your circumstances today, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this card, the first card, let's see what it is. She offers the sacred wine, so drink. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, you may have a lot on your shoulders, a lot of burdens, a lot of things to do which demands your attention, which demands your work and efforts. But today, the universe or the Holy Spirit or God or whatever you call it, the higher spirit, is coming towards you with a guidance. So it is giving you a sacred wine. It may be a blessing, guys, which you never expected. It may be a blessing that is giving you peace and harmony in your heart of hearts. So maybe you should be able to receive this blessing and be ready to feel drunk with that sacred wine. So what does that mean? It just means that we must let go of all our inhibitions, whatever is holding us back today, and step forward in life wherever life is leading us. Maybe there are some offers or opportunities coming our way. It may not be according to our dream or expectation. It may be something surprising, something coming. And it is also a guidance for us to let go of all the rules and our ideals, whatever we have, and take time off, feel free from whatever is holding us back, maybe even from our day-to-day activities. Maybe we must take a break, feel that silence and bliss in our heart, take time maybe to relax ourselves. So when we do that, we will feel more rejuvenated, detoxed from our day-to-day life. That is what this card is about, guys. So We must put aside the seriousness we have and feel free or feel happy to do whatever we love to do or whatever comes to us. Maybe spontaneously, we may feel like doing something, maybe painting or going out, taking a break from work. So, whatever it is, it's simply going to act as an inspiration today, guys, for us. So, that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the energy. So, let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it is the Snow Queen, loyalty. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that you are someone who is really patient and loyal, trustworthy. You are a very reliable person, friendly person, and that may be the reason people love you. And this card stands for friendship. Maybe someone has moved away from you. That person would have been your very close friend, maybe because of some addictive behaviors or something. They have moved away and they have even forgotten this friendship you both shared. But today, just because of the way you are, a true friend, a loyal friend, trustworthy friend, and your patience and love towards this person has changed them today, guys. They are coming back to you. So that is what this card is about. So it may be your friend or it may be the person you love. So they are seeing things more clearly today, and they are releasing themselves from the grasp of some addictions. They would have found it really difficult till now, but today they are coming back to you, guys. They want to come back and they are giving up these addictive behavior or some kind of obsession they had. So that is the energy with this card. So you are going back to that enduring bond you both had, that love and friendship you both had. So your love and friendship has triumphed today, guys. It has triumphed over all the obstacles you had, maybe the addictions or some other obstacles it may be, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.